Dr. Dave's Pinball Restorations, again, Valley 8-Ball Deluxe LE. This is the middle stage of this project, getting rid of that really bad LED that is in the middle of this backboard, just not doing too well for illuminating anything. We put about 28 sockets in there, trying to match them up to all the graphics where they're supposed to be. Drilled them all out, put new sockets in there, and that's the old LED bulb there. Some trash there, and that's the back of the board there. And so how are we going to get power up there, because this thing had no GI power coming up to there? What we're going to do is we're going to utilize this AC line that was going to the fluorescent tube, or this one, doesn't matter which one, because they both go down here to this little transformer and starter. So we're going to take this out, going to take a couple of these lines out, and we're going to put them right here in the back box at pins 7 and 8. This is 6.3 volts AC. That's meant for GI. This guy here is a GI line going to the back box. I do not know what for, but we're going to leave him alone. I'm just going to add one fresh new line here. Boom and boom. Power and return. And then, since it's already run up to the cabinet, we can just like pop them out of here, push them into here, and then solder them in somewhere over here, or over at the beginning over there, somewhere at the beginning of the train tracks over there. And then we should have Let There Be Light. That's all for now, and we'll get back to you and see where we are with this thing. Dr. Dave's Pinball Restorations, 8-Ball Deluxe LE, making it an LE. The only one we know of that's going to have this mod, because I looked around, I don't see anyone else has actually done this.